CodeCombat.
What a ting!
Oh, good grief. Let's... Let's first and foremost... Oh, come back. Let's turn this sound down. Good grief. That should be better. Okay. Backwoods Didn't I do this level? I feel like this is the last level we did. Enemies and heroes have a POS property that represents their position. The POS property itself has two properties, X and Y, which are floating point decimal numbers. I feel like we did this level. I guess we didn't. So X, we have, while true, we're gonna find the enemy, and if the enemy is at X, we also need to make a Y position. We're gonna say where they are, and then we're also gonna say cease and fire.
What a ting! What a ting! What a ting! Novesty!